Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about the best VPN for Roblox and give you my top 3 choices for this game. Roblox has been around since 2006 and it's one of the most versatile gaming platforms with millions of players around the globe. While its games are graphically inferior almost to the past decade's games, the fun gameplay and game variety is what keeps most of the players around. Sadly, it's not all fun and games around here, as Roblox isn't a gaming platform accessible in all countries. Namely, Roblox is blocked in countries like China, Guatemala and the UAE, so if you're located there, you can forget about enjoying Roblox games. The same can be said about schools and universities that also often block this type of games. This is if you don't have a VPN for Roblox that will let you change your IP address to a country where it's available and access the platform easily and legally. If you can play Roblox in your country, why should you actually use the best Roblox VPN? Well, there are many reasons for that. For example, you can use it to avoid DDoS attacks that are typical for online gaming. By changing your IP with a VPN for Roblox, you will encrypt your connection and hide your real IP, preventing other players from tracking you and executing any type of hacking attacks. We also must mention that a VPN will let you play on more distant Roblox servers with a relatively preserved ping. For instance, if you're located in Europe, you can get a Japanese IP, open Roblox and play with Japanese players with no issues. And finally, a good VPN can solve the problem of ISP throttling. This is when your internet service provider intentionally slows down your internet speed, making for a sluggish and stuttery gameplay experience. With a VPN, you can avoid this issue by hiding your IP address from your ISP, which prevents it from limiting your bandwidth or online freedom in general. It's worth mentioning that Roblox doesn't ban players who are using a VPN, so you can use it risk-free and enjoy all the benefits. By now, you're most likely considering a free Roblox VPN, but let me interrupt your thoughts. We suggest avoiding a free VPN for Roblox, and that is because free VPNs offer very slow speeds, limited monthly bandwidth, weak security and small server fleet, which won't let you play and enjoy Roblox to the fullest. So, today's list of the best VPN for Roblox will include premium VPNs that come with no limits in terms of security, privacy and overall performance. These include ExpressVPN, CyberGhost and NordVPN, and before I talk more about them, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to remain notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this one. If you want to unblock Roblox in your country or simply enjoy the platform to the fullest, ExpressVPN is the best option. It comes with more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries and offers the fastest speeds in the market, which I proved in a video about the fastest VPNs. Apart from fast speeds that will guarantee low latency, ExpressVPN offers many more features that will make it the best choice for this platform. For example, I like its level of security. ExpressVPN comes with military-grade encryption and a kill switch for fully encrypting your connection and hiding your real IP address. This will allow you to avoid DDoS attacks and enjoy safe and secure gaming, thanks to its proprietary lightweight protocol that improves not only security but also speeds and overall performance. Or if you care about privacy, there's a no logging policy in place, which means that ExpressVPN won't store any logs of your browsing history or, let's say, IP address, DNS requests, geolocation, etc. etc. This is indeed verified by PricewaterhouseCoopers in its external audit, so you will have zero privacy concerns when using it. What I really like about ExpressVPN is how easy it is to use and its app support, which makes it good for gaming not only on your PC but also your tablet, smartphone, laptop and gaming consoles like PS5 and Xbox Series X. ExpressVPN will also let you unblock Roblox on Android, and you can protect 5 devices simultaneously with it, making it convenient if you own several gaming devices. Using ExpressVPN with Roblox is simple, and all you have to do is connect to the VPN server in the respective country. If anything is unclear, the VPN even has 24/7 live chat customer support for fixing any potential issues, which is super useful. Even in China where Roblox is blocked, you can use ExpressVPN and unblock the whole platform, which is a testament of why this is really the best VPN for Roblox. Sadly, it's also a bit more expensive than the other VPNs on the list. But with my help, you can get a special 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee for all plans that lets you get a full refund in the first 30 days of your purchase with no specific conditions. If you're interested in getting this deal on ExpressVPN, you can do so by using the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or just check the link in the description box below the video to claim this deal on ExpressVPN. Do you want a cheap Roblox VPN? Well, here's CyberGhost. CyberGhost is a really good VPN for gaming, and its main strength lies in the server fleet. I mean, you get 7,000 servers in 90 plus countries, which is very impressive. CyberGhost gives its users a lot for the money, and one of the things is decent performance. It's nowhere near as fast as ExpressVPN, but in my experience, I was able to play Roblox on more distant servers with relatively preserved latency. I like that CyberGhost comes with advanced security features. For example, there's WireGuard support, and most of the time this is a default protocol, so you can expect stable performance and speeds. Security-wise, the VPN comes with 256-bit encryption and features like IP leak protection and a kill switch, making it impossible to be a victim of a DDoS attack or any other IP-based hacking attack executed by other players. What I must mention is that CyberGhost takes care of your privacy as well. Even though there's no security audit, CyberGhost offers a no-logging policy and even backs up its no-logging claims with transparency reports published every 3 months. Apart from playing Roblox on your PC, you can also enjoy this gaming platform on your phone. Logically, CyberGhost can be installed on Android and iOS phones as well, and you can utilize it on your smart TV, router, PS5 or any other device you have, as long as it's not a microwave, dishwasher or something like that. Despite being slightly harder to use than ExpressVPN, CyberGhost actually gives you 7 simultaneous connections, which is a lot better than ExpressVPN's 5. And in the end, I will mention 24/7 live chat support that does its job perfectly fine, albeit CyberGhost won't work in China, which is a disadvantage for potential Chinese players. Nevertheless, CyberGhost is an extremely cheap VPN, and you can see its prices on the screen. For all long-term plans, the VPN gives you a 45-day money-back guarantee as well, so if you're interested in getting the cheapest deal on CyberGhost, one on the left, along with a 45-day money-back guarantee I just mentioned, make sure you use this link. comparative-vpn.fr/cg, or just click on the link in the description below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on CyberGhost VPN. NordVPN is yet another best VPN for Roblox. If you're looking for a reliable, safe and secure Roblox VPN, NordVPN is here, coming with more than 5,000 servers in 60 countries around the globe. The VPN is also affordable, and although a bit more expensive than CyberGhost and cheaper than ExpressVPN, you won't get any compromises around here. For instance, NordVPN is very secure and lets you play Roblox safely thanks to the highest level of encryption, accompanied by a kill switch and IP leak protection for concealing your IP address from other players. I like NordVPN's proprietary NordLynx protocol as well. It's here to improve overall security and give you much more stable performance and speeds. This is all backed up by a certified no-logging policy so that you're guaranteed complete anonymity while playing Roblox or browsing the web. NordVPN is a great gaming VPN mainly due to the fastest speeds that are almost the same as in ExpressVPN. That being said, you'll be able to play Roblox lag-free on all devices even when using long-distance servers. Speaking of devices, I must mention that NordVPN has native applications for pretty much all of them. You can use it to play Roblox on your PC or laptop, or perhaps you can enjoy Roblox on your Android tablet or smartphone. 6 simultaneous connections are in place as well, and this means that you can take advantage of VPN protection on multiple devices at the same time with no additional costs. Before I talk about costs, I must point out that NordVPN works in censored countries like China and the UAE, so if you're located there, you'll be able to unblock Roblox easily. Finally, there's 24/7 live chat support for all VPN-related issues which shouldn't appear. Okay, time to talk about pricing. You can see that NordVPN walks the fine line between ExpressVPN and CyberGhost. On top of that, it gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee for all plans, which is really convenient, apart from these VAT taxes that apply mainly to American and European countries. However, I don't think that this should be a problem, because this affordable VPN is well worth the price. You can get its cheapest deal, one on the left, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee that applies to all subscription plans by using the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/nord1, or just click on the link in the description below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on NordVPN. So, this was the list of the best VPN for Roblox. As you saw, I gave you 3 different VPNs with different prices and level of quality, so you can now take a better look and make a choice for yourself. I recommend ExpressVPN simply because it doesn't have any specific downsides except for maybe a bit higher price. But if you don't mind slightly slower speeds, you can try out NordVPN, for example. And if you don't live in China or any other censored country, CyberGhost can also be a great money-saving option that's going to give you a great Roblox experience, albeit not the best one. And with that said, this was all for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if that's the case, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel and stay with us because many more useful videos like this are coming pretty much on a daily basis. See you in the next video. Bye.